Hi, this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech. Was looking for a docking station that can give me up to 3 monitors and do a full job, but connect to my C port either on my laptop or my tablet. So I'm going to show you what I found. I'm going to get into that right now. So what I found was made by Tiergrade, and it's a USB docking station that can handle 4K output. Dual 4K monitors, I should say. It has HDMI, DP, and all the connections that I could possibly use for a good docking station. So I'm going to unbox it now, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I ordered this by Tiergrade. It's a USB-C box because, you know, I have a tablet that has a C port out, the Samsung, and I also have a bunch of other things that are USB-C out, but I wanted to be able to come home and connect it and use it with my other monitors. So comes with your directions, a thank you card. Oh, thank you very much. And you know, when you look at the picture online, it really looks much bigger than that. Wow. Okay, so it comes with your cable, I'm assuming, and it does. Power cord. USB-C connector cable, and a power supply. Let's take a look at the box. What I like about this so far is that it's small and compact. Okay. Let's take a look here. We have your standard internet connection, USB 3.0 out, USB 2.0 sockets, 2 HDMIs, and a DP socket. And you have your output to your laptop and your power supply. Now the power supply that comes with it is large enough to charge any device, plus power the devices. On top of that, you've got 2 more USB 3.0s, a mic in and a earphone in, your standard SD card and your standard micro SD card over here. So this is complete. Got everything you need, everything you could possibly want. So that is a quick unboxing and review of this wonderful device. I can't wait to hook it up. So overall, it's a nice device. I mean, and the one thing about it, it's got a lot of weight to it, indicating that it's got a lot of components. Again, just to review it, I give it a 5-star rating from what I'm seeing into it. Again, like I said, I needed something for me that I could connect my tablet or laptop when I'm going someplace and come back and get work done. And a lot of people like us are working from home, and you want to have more than one monitor, 1, 2, 3. So it works well on Windows 7, Windows 8, Vista it says, and Windows 10, of course. And I did plug it in, and it found it right away. It did work well with, I have it hooked up to a double monitor. I did connect it to a double monitor setup. I connected it with my Levino, and I also connected it with my Samsung Book, and both worked well. Again, it has 3 USB outputs, 3 3.0 USB socket outputs, 2 USB 2.0. It has the 3.5 audio microphone in and audio out. You've got the standard SD card and the micro SD card. It runs on a 20 volt. It has a 20 volt 60 watt power supply that powers it. So you can charge any of your devices without having to attach an external power supply. Not only that, okay, it is got a little heft to it. So I noticed that there was no lag when I was connecting my monitors and watching a video or anything else. So again, I give it a 5-star rating. Check it out. So this is this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech out, and you have a great day. So all in all, I hope that was helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell thing so I have a review when you're doing something else. You can find out that I'm on. And until then, you have a great day.